Hi guys, welcome to Youth Helpers of India and it's me Harsh. Today I'm going to show you how to make a website on Google. So guys, let's do it. First, click on apps, then scroll down, then click on use for Google. Let it load. And then there are many apps made by Google, especially helpful things made by Google. You can learn more about that. Google made a lot of things for us. If you have some time, you can go on to that. Google Gmail, Messages, HangChat, Contacts, Calendar, Google Photos, Keep, Sheets, Documents, Drive, Sheets, AdSense, Google Ads, Analysis, much more. So guys, we reached to our section. From a lot of apps given here, I'm going to select what we want. The Google Sites. So I'm clicking on Sites, which you color in blue. Just click it on. Then it's taking a lot of time to do. So here comes the options. So first, we got the things that I did before. So we can see a sign, plus sign there. From there we will make the website. So guys, click on create the website. After clicking on create website, there will become an option for creating a modern type of websites. There is classic type of website. I'll make a tutorial for that. Here there is option your page title. So we want to type our page title. I'm clicking on that. So we will get an edit option. So just type your website's name. I'm going to type Youth Helpers of India. It's my channel. So guys, please like, subscribe and share to most of the people my channel. Just promote it up. So after writing, I'm going to click the title. We can take different styles like bold, Latin, many styles. Even we can change the color. There are many options for that. Google gives a vast options for us. We can change the header type, like subtitle, header type, different types. So we're going to upload a photo as a background. I'm just browsing it from my computer. I'm keeping a good morning photo. Just open it. Take 1 or 2 seconds. It's game. It's looking so nice. So we can change any photo. Not only this photo, we can even upload it from the internet. Also we can upload it from our own PC. So guys, it's done. We are going to make new pages. This is only home page. So I think just to create new pages, sub pages as I mean. So just name your page. I'm going to give it contact, just like contacting my channel. I'm just giving it like that. So just contact, write contact, just give OK. I made another website. Now I'm making a third website about us, just knowing about the channel. I'm making that. So we have 3 channels now. So we can select the color like maroon, blue. Different colors are there for the writings and we can change the styles. Also there are text boxes for typing texts and whatever you want. You can type it on that. Just clicking onto the text box. So the main things Google have given, as I said before, Just like, subscribe and comment. Also share the channel to most of the people. So I'm writing, hi guys, it's my channel. I'm just typing it on. So after typing this on, there are many options. I'm just going through it. So I'm going to add some options like calendar. You can add the calendar. I'm using Lollipop Info, that's my channels, sub channel, Developers of India. So I added a calendar. Now I'm adding a video from YouTube as I'm promoting my YouTube channel to the websites. So I'm just clicking the link, I'm just writing the link onto the option. So just write the link onto the option, then click the search button. You will get your video. I didn't get my video. I'm just taking another video for showing you. So just click that video, then just OK. Then the video will be visible there. If the another user, if he clicks on this link or this box, he can definitely reach to your video. It's a big promotion. Really, I have made a lot of Google websites. Now I'm going to add a map about my country, my India. It's my country. So I'm searching the country. If I search, I got my country India. Just locate on India. You can search a locality. It's available on Google. Google is making it great. So I've added the map. I've added the map. So next, I am going to insert a button. A button helps us to go onto a specific link or specific website, like my sub website or other links, YouTube links, or our websites links, much more, or any apps links, anything like promotion. When you can put on ads on the website, just give it on. I put on a button writing click on this. Click on here. So there are many options: cloud drive, text, image, much more. So there are options like duplicate site, report a problem, tips, help, support, like that, many more. Now I'm going to publish the website. Just click on the button publish and write the name of your website, what you want. I'm going to write YDFI. I mean YDFI India. Use the Developers of India. It's short. So you can manage your account. I am publishing it globally. So click on publish. Where it's like only a specific person can see your website. Don't click on that, then no one can see. Only a person with your permission or a person you send the link can only see this. That's very risky, no permission. So publish. The website is publishing. It's pretty great, and there will be a small link under view. Click on that. You can view your website. It's great. You made a great website yourself. Youth Developers of India. So you can make a website your own like this, like Youth Developers of India. As I made the website of Youth Developers of India. So guys, many options are there. So we can edit by clicking the edit option, the option with the pen. Let's call it. So guys, I'm again saying, just like, subscribe, share and comment my channel. Share to most of the people so I can get a lot of views. It will be a lot of success. So guys, it's a bye from Youth Developers of India. So guys, bye.